very cool. You join in.
What do you call that car?
Pillows.
Ano? Ano pillows? Belos? Anong pillows? Wala na? Finish na? No more?
There's your mom. Hey guys, this is the engine. Where's the engine? This is the engine here. Open there. And this is the engine. Okay, back in. Oh, what the? Okay, this is
Oo, mauntog ka. Ay, ayan na.
Is too good. Have this. What's that bed? I want to sit there.
No, you can sit there. It's bawal. Oh, what else can you say?
That there.
Oh, bilis. Kukwento mo kay Papa G. What can you see here?
Okay. This is the bed. Okay, this is the.
No more na?
Okay, this is the orange car. You go get here.
Ay, no, don't sit down.
Quick.
No more na. O, bye-bye ka na.
No. Look, orange car.
Okay.
Hey guys, this is the bed.
Good.
Right here, and this is driving. Okay, if the kids go here,
Yes.
okay, and this finish. Oh my gosh, this.
No. Don't open it na.
Open it.
No. No. I need.
This the method. Oh. This the car. If you drive, you go right here. The kids go here.
The kids go there.
And Daddy and Mommy go there. And that's the end.
That's the end.
Yun lang. Ano na yung black car?
Wag na. Layo na nun. Gusto ko nga ito lang. Para malapit lang.
Yeah. This car? This car? This car? Daddy and Mommy. And this car?
Ay, no.
This car? Only kids. Okay.
Stop it na. Come here na.